Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how to make crispy delicious baklava, as you can see. First step, I'm going to make a baklava syrup. For the baklava syrup we need 500 ml water, and 500 gram sugar. Combine the sugar and water. And place one slice of lemon inside the sugar syrup. And let them boil. When you boil the syrup 5 more minutes, when it starts boiling. So boiled 5 more minutes, then turn off the heat and let them cool down. These are all the ingredients you will need to make baklava. 200 grams walnuts, 50 grams pistachio, 200 grams unsalted butter, and 1 packet of Fillo Pastry. You can find this Fillo Pastry at Woolworth or in other grocery stores in the freezer section. Now I'm going to place unsalted butter inside the pot. Okay, we need 200 grams. And melt it on the stove. Now I'm going to crush the nuts in the food processor. First I'm going to do pistachios. And then crush the walnuts. Unwrap the Fillo Pastry. And unroll the sheets. If the filo dough is too big for your baking pan, trim the filo sheets to match the same size of your pan. So I'm going to put like this and match the size. You can use scissors or knife, which one is easiest for you. Spread the butter in your pan firstly. Then place 2 sheets of your pastry. Then spread the butter again. Every 2 sheets, spread the butter on your pastry. For the bottom bit, use the small one first. This. When you place half of your pastry in your baking pan, then place the walnuts on top of it. Now I'm going to put other pastries on top of my walnuts. And it doesn't have to be exactly 2 sheets. You can put 3 pieces of sheet and then put the butter on it. Also, it doesn't have to be exactly 2 sheets. When you spread your butter, you can put 3 or 4 pieces of sheets. It's okay. And butter, it doesn't have to be it's every single part on your pastry. You can just spread randomly like this. That's okay as well. Okay, I got only 4 pieces of sheets left. I'm not going to put any more butter on it because this is the last part. So all done. If it's too big, you can just put this underneath like this. Okay, now it's time to cut. I'm going to cut my baklava in square shapes. Once you have finished cutting all the baklava, pour leftover butter on top of your baklava. Now I'm going to place pan of baklava in the preheated oven around 40 minutes. Whilst cooking, you need to check the baklava until it has turned golden brown, then it's ready to take out. Okay everyone, baklava is turned to golden brown, it's finally ready. Now when you remove the pan from the oven, wait for 2 minutes. Baklava is cooled down. I already wait for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to pour cold syrup all over the baklava. Okay, and last step, I'm going to sprinkle some of the chopped pistachios on top of each baklava squares. Once you have finished all the steps, let it rest for a couple hours, then you may serve the baklava. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more content. Bye!